There were so many games that people made, which I was so proud of, which makes it a success. And I'm so happy that I was able to teach those kids how to make games in Godot because now they found something that's so interesting that they can make and they learned a new skill which they can show to their parents, friends, and so on. The venue I got was also really cool. It had so much space and it was an office from Redo. The view from it was amazing. The mountains were beautiful. There were so many things to do, like the ping pong table or the basketball. I would say that the hardest part of organizing my own game jam was the outreach, so finding the people who would be interested in participating in something like that. Overall, the event went pretty amazing. There were 25 students who showed up. 22 of them have never made any kind of programming before, which is so cool because they were able to make a game all the way from zero to deploying it on the web. Throughout a month of me sharing it with people, I think I've shared it to over 100 schools in Utah, and only one school has replied to me, so that was great. And the open rate was like 60 something percent, so it wasn't too horrible. But at the same time, reply rate was pretty low, which is concerning because schools should really share interesting opportunities with their children,